Modern Beverly Hills began in 1900 when a group of oil investors and drillers led by Burton E. Green failed to find oil, but found water and enough of it to support a town. Inspired by Beverly Farms, Massachusetts, Green and his wife renamed the area Beverly Hills. By 1914, the local population was large enough to support the incorporation of Beverly Hills as a city. So, contrary to popular belief, Beverly Hills is not just a neighborhood, but an independent city surrounded by Los Angeles, and has its own city government and police department. According to PropertyShark.com, Beverly Hills is tied at number 3 with nearby Santa Monica as the most expensive zip code in America, with a median home price of $3.75 million and a cost of living that is 163% higher than the US average. Celebrities that call Beverly Hills home include Ellen DeGeneres, Jack Nicholson, John Legend, Taylor Swift, Adele, and now LeBron James. Next is Rodeo Drive, which is one of the world's most exclusive and premier luxury shopping destinations. According to Business Insider, renting space on Rodeo Drive costs $875 per square foot, making it the second most expensive retail street in the United States, behind New York's Upper Fifth Avenue. Rodeo got its start in 1961, when Swiss-born retailer Fred Heyman opened Giorgio Beverly Hills at 273 Rodeo Drive. The launching of a luxury boutique in the middle of Beverly Hills prompted others, notably Gucci and Tiffany, to follow suit. The now 2-mile shopping stretch is home to over 100 of the world's leading luxury brands. If you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.